Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube video. And in this video, we are going to talk about how to find a valid break of structure. Like I have wasted a lot of money on various courses, and I have paid to a lot of mentors, but I haven't learned anything different from everyone. Like you understand me? Like you have seen on the Instagram, like they mark this as a break of structure, right? A break of structure, and you just trade like this. You just trade like this, right? So when you trade for the first time, your zone works. And why this zone work? Because there is a liquidity upward. Second time there is also liquidity, but you trade on this zone, but you got your stop loss. Why? Because there is no liquidity upwards, right? In order to find a valid break of structure, there should be three criteria. The first one is inefficiency. If there is no inefficiency, that zone is not valid. And you can't consider that zone as a valid zone, right? Like if you consider this zone, there is a liquidity and inefficiency. Both are there. Like if you consider the three criteria, the first one is inefficiency, the second one is liquidity, and third one is break of structure. And if there are three criteria there, you can consider that zone as a valid break of structure. So first, the break of structure, the zone got upwards. We didn't trade over there because this is a liquidity. If you trade from this area, you can get caught, right? So there must have be a liquidity above this zone, right? Second is this is also break of structure, and the zone go upwards, and but we don't consider this zone because there is a not liquidity upward, and then it also break a structure to the upwards, and then it went down, and we did traded from this zone. Why didn't we trade from this zone? Because there is not a liquidity upward from this zone, right? You should use this zone. You must use that zone, like when where there is a liquidity. If there is no liquidity, you will be the liquidity, right? So we must consider first liquidity, and second there should be an inefficiency over there. If there is no inefficiency, like you can see the inefficiency over here, because I will let you know on the live chart, right? So there is not any liquidity over here. So if you see on the live chart, this, right? Liquidity sweep to the upwards. This is a zone. This is a break of structure, right? This is not a break of structure. This is just a liquidity sweep, right? I will let you know in the next upcoming chapters, right? Like some people might be waiting over here, like when this zone mitigates, and if you don't know about the mitigation, and I will let you know everything in the next upcoming chapters. You just know the break of structure. Okay, okay. So this went down. This consider also a break of structure, right? You can't consider this as a break of structure, right? The candle must close below this zone. Only that zone can be valid only. If the candle closes above the zone, that zone is that is not a break of structure, right? So if you refine in the smaller time frame, you can see there must be a order block over here and the market went down, right? So This is also a break of structure. Market went up and mitigate this zone, right? This is also a break of structure. This was a low. This is also a break of structure. This was the liquidity, and market went up and went down. So now the trend has gone bullish now. So you can also see over here the market. This is also a break of structure. This is a liquidity and market down, right? So this is a supply and demand. How this is works. This is also liquidity. You can see how this works. And now the market has gone bullish now. This is a break of structure. This was the high. And now you can trade from this zone, right? Or either from this zone because everything below here is mitigated, right? I will let you know in the upcoming chapters like what is the liquidity and how what is the mitigated zone and unmitigated zones. For now, I can only tell you about the break of structures, like how you can identify the valid break of structures. Like if the candle closes below this, only you can consider that as a valid break of structure. And also there should be an inefficiency over it, like there is an inefficiency. You can I will let you know in the next upcoming chapters what is the liquidity and what are the inefficiency, right? So if you have any doubt, I can put my Instagram link in the description box and also a Telegram link. You can contact me over there, and I will also share the analysis over there so you can see and trade according to that. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me over here. Thank you guys.